Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm hosting a session tomorrow where me and some of the other people are gonna make their vision boards together, and it is something that I'm doing for the very first time. Not the vision board making, but hosting a call as a क्या बोलूँ मैं अपने आप को सोशल मीडिया मतलब a social media influencer मैं कहना चाहूँगी अपने आप को, and I'm excited about it. There's gonna be a lot of things. Like first would be an instruction kind of structure where I would be instructing everybody how to make a vision board and why is it important, and then we'll jump into making our vision boards together. It's going to be so much fun. I'm very excited about it. Also जो भी लोग ये event session attend कर रहे हैं, I'm gonna be sending them personal thank you letters which they don't know about right now obviously, and that would be a little something from my side as a token of gratitude that they actually believed in me and attending a call, attending a session with me. But कि मुझे ये सब document करना चाहिए because this is something very exciting and something nerve-wracking because I'm doing it for the first time. But then again, as my bio says, conquering the things that I'm nervous about. So yeah, I'll meet you in the next clip. Bye.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way.
Up the call right now. All the letters that I have to send to individual people are ready. Call setup करना है और अभी की अभी लाइट चलेगी और 10 मिनट है कॉल शुरू होने में. देख रहे हो तुम लक. So while that call happens, I also will start documenting how to make a vision board so that I can document it here and put it on YouTube for all you guys. तो जिन्होंने अगर सेशन अटेंड नहीं भी किया है, they'll get the benefit still. The camera is set and light अभी चली गई है. We're waiting for the power to come back, but yeah, I'll update you on more soon. A vision board is a set of pictures or a collage जहाँ पर you put some pictures for different categories of your life. जो आप जैसे for example, if you have 4 categories of your life: career, love, family, relations, personal growth, etc. You choose your 4 to 5 categories, or depends on you, however you want to go with it, and then you pick out pictures that resonate with that category, and so you take those pictures, put it together, make a collage, and it's totally up to you how you want to arrange it. It's basically a way to manifest your dreams or your achievement through those categories. मतलब देखो मैं जैसा समझाना चाह रही हूँ वो समझ जाओ अब. A collage of pictures or things that you want to achieve in the next couple of years, or however you want to go for it. Me personally, I do a year vision board. Some people do monthly vision boards, and some people do like 3-year ka vision board, 5-year ka vision board. So you make your categories. I personally do 4 categories: career, love, and personal growth, and hobbies. So that's my 4 categories which I collect, and then I take pictures from Pinterest, or you can also go for Pixel or Unsplash to take your pictures, or simply Google Images. You can download those pictures for digital vision boards. You can download those pictures and then arrange them in Canva. That's the easiest way to do it and non-hassle way to do it. And if you want to make a physical vision board, तो वो pictures निकाल के you need to print them out, and then you can arrange it on a cardboard, like a piece of cardboard, and then stick it in your room somewhere so that you can. The only goal with vision board is you have to see it every day. You have to see it regularly for you to manifest, for you to affirm those things in your subconscious mind, and that's how it works. I read it somewhere कि vision boards tackle your subconscious mind and force you to do those things. And actually force those things in reality. Let's make our vision boards. मैंने तो अभी कुछ भी नहीं किया है, मतलब मैंने कहीं पे भी कोई भी कैटेगरीज में फ़ोटोज़ नहीं डाले हैं बिल्कुल भी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है, तो अगर जब तुम Pinterest पे सर्च करने जा रहे हो वो फ़ोटो, तो फोकस ऑन ऐसे फ़ोटोज़ या तो जिसमें सिर्फ कार दिख रहा है, या फिर देयर इज़ अ हैंड पुलिंग आउट द डोर और समथिंग, और अ हैंड ऑन द स्टीयरिंग व्हील और समथिंग. वो फुल पर्सन अगर अवॉइड कर सको तो करना, दैट्स बेटर अगर हो सके तो. मतलब जस्ट अ टिप आई वांट टू थ्रो आउट.
Yo no te he dicho aún, yo no te he dicho aún. Ya no hay versos para ti, sin razones que seguir. Ya verás como no vuelvo, para mí no queda duelo, como el viento que
होप यू एन्जॉयड द वीडियो. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया था वो सेशन करने में. इट वॉज सो मच फन एंड आई थिंक मैं और सेशंस ऐसे शेड्यूल करने वाली हूँ बहुत जल्दी. फॉलो अप्स फॉर द विजन बोर्ड थिंग एंड मे बी सम अदर आई हैव सम अदर आइडियाज़ इन माई माइंड दैट could be a really fun thing. So stay tuned and don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel.